So to clean the steam head, you can see that's pretty groggy. Look at that. Now, you can wait for it to cool down. Use something like acetone, a cloth, and just work the bejesus out of it until you clean off all this crap. The way I like to do it, and disclaimer, I will not say that this is a safe way of doing anything. So, follow my example at your own risk. Wear eye protection. Get some acetone, pour a nice little puddle right there on some good cloth. Just like bacon. There we go. Look at that. Acetone boils at a temperature much, much lower than this steam. I need some more acetone. And yes, this smells wonderful. Yeah, do this in a well-ventilated area. And there we go. Now, get this on the edge. There's a groove in there. You got to get that groove, so get that on the edge. There we go. Not bad.